In this movie, I want to complete the finite state machine behavior for the AI enemy class. We have now listed all of these states that are possible, and we have a variable to keep track of which state we are in, but of course we haven't created the states themselves and the functionality to choose between them. Now, because I want each of the states in some ways to be self-managing and looping among themselves so that they can handle all their own behaviors, I'm going to be coding each state as a coroutine. So to do that, I'm going to just move this code down to the bottom so I can focus on creating the state behavior here. I'm going to create our first state, which is going to be the patrol state. So I'm going to choose public I enumerator, and I will call this state AI patrol, like so. And I'm going to copy this code and paste it down here and have one for AI chase. And again, I'm going to have another one for AI attack. So now we have the basic skeleton for each of the different states. Now remember, these are coroutines which work much like asynchronous functions. That is, they have the appearance of being able to run in the background, looping around and sustaining themselves. Now each of these coroutines is effectively going to be a repeating loop that's just going to repeat infinitely while the AI system is going to be in the active state. So for example, for the AI patrol state, I want to continually loop around while the AI patrol state is active. So I'm going to say while the current state equals enemy state dot patrol. While we are continually in that state, just continually loop to update the behavior. So this is going to work much like an update loop here, allowing us to repeat all kinds of behaviors so long as we're in the patrol state. Now, of course, to prevent an infinite loop kind of behavior, I need to use a yield statement inside the coroutine. So I'm going to choose yield return null. That will suspend the coroutine until the next frame, allowing us to achieve an update like loop here without locking the system. Now I'm going to repeat this process and this structure here for the AI chase and the AI attack. Changing these statements here from the patrol to the attack state, or rather in this case the chase state, and then changing this one to the attack state. So now I've coded in the basic structure for each of the different states, each one encoded as a coroutine. So we have AI attack, AI chase, and AI patrol. Now, of course, when the level begins, we want to activate the AI patrol state, and the AI patrol state is responsible for determining whether or not it should change from the patrol state to a different state like chase. Now, all these state changes are going to need to go through a single function, and I'm going to do that here by managing this private variable using a public C# property, and we'll see how to do that next.